Greetings everybody, this is Domingo with you. Today we are doing another sponsored video for Flexclip. So they want us to look at the new curve speed function. So what it is that it automatically adjusts the speed in several parts without having to worry about keyframing. So what we're going to do is we're going to select, for example, hero time. So if you click on hero time, it'll apply the speed settings onto the timeline right here. So then if you play it back, it'll just go and set through the speed. So it'll just go fast, up to 8 times speed, and then it'll just slow down at some settings there. And then when it goes up to a certain setting, it'll go back up to a certain speed. So that is how you do it. That is the curve speed, and then you can also customize it however you like. So you can automatically go up to 8 speed all the time, and then you can make it just slow after that. So you can customize it however you like. So we're just going to play that. So it goes from 1 to 8 times speed. Look at that. I'm talking fast here. But then it goes really slow after that. Hope that helps. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time for another video. Goodbye.